guztioi eta ongi etorri gure ikuskizunera.
Good afternoon and welcome to the show.
Buenas tardes y bienvenidos a nuestro show.
8 eta 7 antxumeak antzezlana ikusiko dugu.
We'll show you the Elf and the Seven Little Kids show.
Hemos preparado la obra de los 7 cabritillos para todos vosotros.
Espero dugu zuen gustokoa izatea.
We hope you enjoy the show.
Esperamos que sea de vuestro agrado.
Eskerrik asko etortzeagatik.
Thank you for coming to the show.
Gracias por venir.
Once upon a time, there was a mother goat who had 7 little kids. One day, she wanted to go into the forest to get some food. So she called all the 7 little kids to her. Dear children, I have to go into the forest to get some food. You are the big bad wolf, and he comes in, he will eat you.
Don't worry, dear mother. We will not open the door.
So the mother goat went out to the forest and left the kids at home. A little later, there was a knock on the door.
Knock, knock, knock. Open the door, dear children. Is your mother and I got something delicious for each one of you.
We will not open the door. You are not our mother. She has sweet, kind voice. Your voice is cracked. You are a big bad wolf. Away, you feet.
What can I do? Let me see.
But the kids knew it was not their mother.
What can I do? Let me see. Ah, yes, I know.
The wolf left the house and went to a shop to buy some salt to make his voice sweet and high.
Excuse me, I like a packet of chalk, please.
Can I help you? Well, chalk and color chalk.
One chalk and hurry up, I'm hungry.
Okay. You shouldn't eat chalk, you know.
I did what I like.
Okay, here you are. Bye. The wolf ate some salt and tested his voice.
Open the door, dear children. No, not quite right. Open the door, dear children. That's better. A little more. Open the door, dear children. Perfect.
The wolf quickly went to the house of the 7 little kids.
Knock, knock, knock. Open the door, dear children. It's your mother, and I got something delicious for each one of you.
It's like our mother. No, wait. I can see she laughing. It's the big bad wolf. Away, you feet.
What can I do now? I'm so hungry. Let me see. Ah, yes, I know.
The wolf was very angry. He left the house and went to the baker to get some flour to make his sponge white.
I'm hungry.
Good morning. What would you like?
delicious cakes or becomes donuts.
I don't want bread or cakes or donuts. I want some delicious little kid.
Sorry, what did you say?
I just want some white flour and hurry up.
Okay, here you are.
Bye.
Some white flour here, some white flour there. That's it. Now, little kids, I'm coming to eat you.
The wolf ran back to the house of the 7 little kids.
Knock, knock, open the door, dear children. It's your mother, and I got something delicious for each one of you.
It's like our mother. Let us see your feet. Yes, you have white feet like our mother.
And the 7 kids opened the door and saw the wolf. They were terrified and tried to hide. Please, little kid number 1, hide under the chair. I said hide under the chair.
We like the kid number 2. Hide in the cupboard. I say hide in the cupboard.
Quick, little kid number 3, hide under the table. I said hide under the table. Quick, little kid number 4, hide behind the door. I said hide behind the door.
Quick, little kid number 5. Hide under the carpet. I say hide under the carpet.
Quick, little kid number 6, hide under the bed. I said hide under the bed. Quick, little kid number 7, hide in the clock. I said hide in the clock. The wolf leapt into the room and started looking for the kids.
Chair, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here.
Let me look under the chair. Well, I wish little kids. Nyam, nyam. Catbird, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here.
Let me look in catboard. Well, I wish little kids. Nyam, nyam. Table, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here.
Let me look under the table. Well, I wish little kids. Nyam, nyam. Door, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here.
Let me look behind the door. Well, I wish little kids. Nyam, nyam. Carpet, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here.
Let me look under the carpet. Well, I wish little kids. Nyam, nyam. Have you seen a little kid?
No, not here.
Let me look under the bed. Well, I wish little kids. Nyam, nyam. No, have you seen a little kid?
No, not here.
Let me look behind the clock. No, nothing. Let me look on top of the clock. No, nothing. Oh well, I'm in full. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep under the big oak tree.
went to sleep under the big oak tree. Long, long after Mother Goat came home from the field.
Knock, knock, open the door, dear children, is your mother. And I've got something delicious for each one of you. Children, where are you? Oh no, what a mess, little kid.
The big bad wolf ate the little kid.
Oh, my little kid. No, mother, I'm here inside the clock. The big bad wolf has eaten all my brothers and sisters and now sleeping under the big oak tree. Quick, get the scissors and a needle and thread.
Mother Goat and the little kid went off to find the wolf. The wolf was fast asleep.
Cat, 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 kid number one.
Hooray!
Cat, 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 kid number two.
Hooray!
Cat, 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 kid number three.
Hooray!
Cat, 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 kid number four.
Hooray!
Cat, 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 kid number five.
Hooray!
Cat, kid number five.
Hooray!
All safe and sound. Now go and get some Henry Stone. One stone here, show. Another stone here, show. A third stone here, show. A fourth stone here, show. A fifth stone here, show. A sixth stone here, show. Finish.
The goats all hid behind the tree. Then the wolf woke up. He was very thirsty and went to the river to drink some water.
Oh dear, I don't feel well. I need some water.
Look. But the heavy stones made him fall into the river, and the big bad wolf drowned. The goats were very happy and they started singing and dancing.
dizuegu.
To finish now, we are going to sing you the Big Bad Wolf song. Thank you for coming to the show. Let's start.